Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Notion for university. Start by creating a new workspace in Notion, specifically for your university life. This keeps everything organized and separate. You can begin with a blank page or explore Notion's extensive template gallery for a head start. Many users find the student dashboard template particularly helpful. Customize your main dashboard to include quick access buttons for your courses, assignments, and notes, making navigation super efficient. Next, establish a robust system for managing your courses and assignments. Create a database for all your classes, adding properties like professor names, credit hours, and meeting times. Then, build an assignment tracker database, incorporating due dates, priority levels, and status updates. Crucially, link each assignment to its corresponding course page, providing a clear overview of your academic workload and ensuring nothing is missed. For effective studying, develop a consistent note-taking system. Create a dedicated page for each lecture or topic using Notion's versatile blocks. Embed PDFs, web links, and even videos directly into your notes for a centralized resource hub. Utilize toggle lists to hide and reveal information for active recall, and employ callout blocks to emphasize crucial concepts, making your study sessions more productive and engaging. Finally, leverage Notion for personal productivity and planning. Set up a weekly planner to schedule your study blocks, social activities, and personal appointments, ensuring a balanced routine. Create a habit tracker to monitor daily routines and a goal tracker for long-term aspirations. A master task list, consolidating all your to-dos, will help you stay on top of everything, from academic deadlines to personal errands.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.